My video guide will provide you with guidelines that will help you to remove the ransomware called Pzcqyq. This is the ransomware that may damage the files, essentially. It encrypts files and it appends a certain extension to the file names. Of course, my video is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In this video, I will just show you how this ransomware affects the files and will give you certain recommendations on how to protect your files. You have just clearly seen that before the ransomware attack we were able to open our files without troubles, but sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the device. And so, very soon, users realize that they can no longer access their data because of this ransomware. So this ransomware encrypts files and appends a certain extension to the file names. The ransomware also reveals this ransom note. It indicates that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. Don't pay it. I recommend that you remove this ransomware urgently with the help of reliable antivirus software, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. To download Combo Cleaner, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser, most likely, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by this ransomware. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner Antivirus through this official website, combocleaner.com. Install the software, and once it is successfully installed, start researching your system. Click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Then the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is truly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. And then after the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner is successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating the system. I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is a part of the premium license only. Keep this fact in mind. The scanning itself might take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the system during the scan. Certain threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium. This way, you can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. And also in the description to this video, please find a special link which will give you more facts on how to possibly recover your data.